Hi everybody, and welcome to Colorful Creative Kids. In this video, we're going to show you how you can draw and color this purse with its accessories. So let's get started. Hi everyone! If you've enjoyed our videos this week, we would like to let you know that you can download them from our website for free. Just visit colorfulcreativekids.com, and from there you can scroll down to the bottom of our page and pick any coloring bundle you would like. Then you can save or print the pages right from this screen. After you've printed your pages, you can find the video that matches your page on our YouTube channel and color along with us or have fun with any colors you would like. We hope you enjoy being creative with us, and thank you so much for all the support. We'll see you in our next video.